Hi, welcome to the Big Your Brains course, Microsoft Planner Essentials. My name is Vicky Drua, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 20 years. Microsoft Planner is a user-friendly, flexible tool that can be used for collaboration and project management. I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who want to learn how to organize and manage individual or team tasks. We'll start by describing the purpose of Planner and exploring its components. Then, we'll create a new plan from a template and a blank plan. Next, we'll work with cards. We'll create task cards, add information, and assign the tasks. Then we'll add attachments to a card and set progress and priority for tasks. From there, we'll continue to modify cards by reassigning tasks, adding comments, and customizing labels. We'll also copy, move, modify, and delete cards. Then, we'll add new buckets and rename, reorder, and delete them. Next, we'll also manage the plan by changing the group by options, filtering and finding tasks, and changing the views. We'll also mark tasks as complete, modify plan settings, and share a plan. Then, we'll leave and delete plans. In our last lesson, we'll integrate Planner with Microsoft 365 apps. We'll export a plan to Excel, add it to an Outlook calendar, and integrate with SharePoint and Teams. We'll also view your tasks in the To-Do app. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will learn how to use the Microsoft Planner to increase productivity, improve team collaboration, and manage tasks. As you go through the course, I recommend you stop and practice what I'm showing you. That way, you can do the tasks right along with us.